Good day everyone, my name is Jesse Lawrence P. Absede and I'm about to discuss the difference among the Masu form, dictionary, Ru form, and Nai form. In Japanese, verbs can be conjugated into various forms to indicate different tenses, mood, or levels of politeness. Here are the main difference among the Masu form, dictionary, Ru form, and Nai form. Masu form or polite form. This form is used to convey politeness and is commonly used in formal or respectful conversation. To convert a verb to its masu form, the verb stem is followed by masu form. Example, taberu or to eat becomes tabemas. Iku or go becomes ikimas. Example sentence is Ashita toshokan ikimasu. I will go to the library tomorrow. As for the dictionary form, Ru form, this is the basic form of the verb as you would find it in the dictionary. It's the non-past form used for making general statements, informal conversation, and within various grammatical structures. Um, its formation is for Ichidan verb, the verb ends in Ru. For Godan verbs, the ending can be very yu, tsu, ru, etc. For example, taberu, or to eat, is an Ichidan verb. Kaku, to write, is a Godan verb. Example sentence is, Mainichi gakko ni iku. I go to school every day. As for the nai form or the negative form, this form expresses the negative indicating that something does not happen or is not done. For ichidan verb, replace ru with nai. For example, taberu or to eat becomes tabenai, not to eat. For godam verbs, change the final u sound to the corresponding a sound, and add nai for example, kaku to write becomes kakanai, not to write. Example sentence, Kyo wa shukudai o shinai. I will not do homework today. In summary, the masu form is polite and often used in formal situation. The dictionary form is the basic verb form used in informal setting and for grammatical constructions. And the nai form is to use to indicate the negatives. That's all. Thank you.